Gentlemen, welcome here to Chihuahua City for tonight's FIBA World. Well, there is Juan Toscano. Well, Toscano is in the building, baby.
Jordan Clarkson, number 7. Please stand for the national anthems of our competing nations in this match.
Yo, what's up mga idol? Nagbabalik tayo. Gilas Pilipinas versus Mexico. Yan. Home court dito ng Mexico, no? Starting 5 natin, Scottie Thompson, Jordan Clarkson, Junmar Fajardo muna tayo. Ang ating front court dyan, Jamie Malonzo at si AJ Edu para sa ating mga defensive. Grabe, nakita nyo ba yun? Tama po, si Devin Booker yun. Saka si Juan Toscano at Gael Bonilla. Ayan. Gandang laban to. Nandito si Devin Booker. Para sa mga nagtatakong ba't nandito sa Mexico si Booker, no? Si Booker, mga idol, ay merong Mexican descent at Puerto Rican descent. Pero dahil marami ng key players ang Puerto Rico, kaya dito natin siya sa Mexico inilagay. At ganoon din sa USA. Booker versus Clarkson. Napa-foul agad dyan si Edu. Gael Bonilla, isang G-League player yan mga idol. Sa Santa Cruz Warriors yata siya naglalaro. Hindi ko lang sigurado kung na-draft to, no? Pero basta ang sigurado ko lang G-League to. Wow, mga pasahan sa ilalim. Ako, patay yan. Lista mo na. Devin Booker. Naiwang open. Huli ka. Parang nag-volleyball dun ah. Nakaisahan tayo dun. Wow, ganda ng pasahan natin. Patay yan. Malikot tong point guard nila, no? Naku. Naku, dalawa na agad siya. Delikado si Edu. Pasok muna natin si Aguilar. Hindi naman ganun katangkara ng ano, no? Mexico, pero mga athletic din kahit pa paano. Huli ka. Nice D. Gustavo Ayon. Alam ko naging NBA player din to eh, no? Si Gustavo Ayon. Veterano na yan. Pasok, sayang. So bali dalawang current NBA play. Tatlo. Mamaya nasa bench pa yung isa. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Huli ka. Dakdakan mo. Counted. Maganda nilalaro ni Malonzo dito. Huli ka. Malonzo! Huli ka! Sayang! Sayang, lakas ng tapik. Dakdak sana yun. Huli ka, inabot. Kala niya si Malo. Ay. Napatime out ang Mexico. Ganda ng laro natin dito. Pero tatlo pa lang lamang natin. Ang laki nitong point guard, no? Mga 6'3 siguro to. 6'1. Patay. Lista na. Subukan nga natin. Pardo. Thompson.
Nice little run here to going on. Now the story is points in the paint, Mark. I mean, they're getting point-blank shots every time down. Here's Baker. To the paint. Skip Davis leads to the run. A mighty slam on the end of it. But through the teeth with some pretty soft deep. Well, we'll see how that impacts things here. It's those kinds of plays sometimes can be game changers on both sides. Number 13. There's a cover. Here's Aguilar to the middle. Out to Johnson. And there's the pass for Aguilar.
Yun. Buti na lang. Sayang, open. Ayan, si Jacques Jr. pala. Oh, 7-3 yun. Tinirahan lang ng 6-6. Ah! Swerte. Circus shot para kay Malonzo. Bulagta, parang binaril. Naku, minadali. Unang sablayan ni Malonzo. Di ko nakalimutan ko release ni Clarkson ah. Yung game ng nangangamotos 3 point to sa akin. Sabay! Jaymar Perez tuloy. Perez. Hindi nagde-dead ball, no? Uy! Wow! Sabi ni.
So far on the boards for this club. Boy, I like the way they've done a great job carving out space under the basket with the shots. Great work getting in the shooter's face and then getting back to the boards to grab the rebound. 5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. There's Perez.
Kondong iwan. Sa ano ba yung pangalan? Adriasi yata. G-League player din yan. Andriasi. Isang G-League player din. Kahit yung Cruz nila no, na shooting guard na veterano. Yan. Veterans na yan. Huli ka. Ay, ganda nun. Gumapang pa. Ayos lang, lamang pa tayo ng 6 na puntos dyan. Kain na. Bagal na tanaka, hindi ko yung may pasa. Baka bumagal pagpasa ko. Matuling si Perez, no? Still ka. Uy! Huli ka. Parada, nag-i-import dati sa PBA yan. Ako, pinasa ko pa. Huli ka. Dami na natin block dito. May anak na ano yan, no? Si Parada. Napilip. Ay, sayang. Napinay na bata. Natural. Ano kasi, no? Parang Filipina yata na pangasawa niya. Chismis tayo dito, konting chismis lang. Kaya pag 7-footer din yung anak na, gilas. Oh, sayang yun, ankle break. Booker versus Ramos. Takad lang si Booker, 6'7" yata si Booker. Di nakagalaw si Edu. Si Edu, si Ramos. Gamitin natin height ni Soto. Sahod. Time out tayo, time out. Berg na natin si Clarkson, no? Diyan na si Booker kasi. Hirap si Ramos. Ay! Ganda ng depensa. Ganda ng tira, sayang. Huli ka, sige, tira mo. Gusta mo na. Wow! Ganda naman nung pick and roll.
We're gonna remember when this game is all said and done.
Talsik.
Boy, they were ready for him right there. I mean, totally collapsed the defense on him. That's the shot. The rebound by Anderson. He's step slow since the start of the quarter. His shooting's really suffered. This is the Booker. That's a goal with the 17 seconds. The If you battle for the offensive rebound and come up with it, you're guaranteed a high-quality shot on a follow just like he got there.
Binalik na natin yung first 5 natin, no? Sinalpakan na ni Malonzo. Napatay mo agad ang Mexico. Isa pa tayo atang timeout, no? Hindi tayo gumamit ng first quarter. Sala. Inatake ni Thompson.
Another trip to the strike form, and tell you what, a little bit of a different feel here in the second quarter. A little more banging going on. This team is never afraid to get physical. I think they enjoy this style of play.
Huli ka. Dami ng block yata ni Edu. Lagi siya nalapit sa may bola pag malapit sa ilalim na ring, no?
Thompson's got 7 points. He can be a forgotten man in their offense sometimes, but the defense still needs to keep an eye on him. Here's Gutierrez. He's covered by Thompson. Here's Booker. Booker's got 4 this quarter. That's a long year for him. Typical day in the offense. More skill than plays out.
Tough shot para kay Clarkson. Lakas sa Pardo, ah. 19 points po yung kagabi, mga idol, versus Montenegro. Na foul trouble lang talaga, no? Still ka.
defense break. Taps it outside. Down low.
Naku, turnover tayo dun. Hindi na tayo nagkaintindihan.
Here's Gutierrez. 8 points for him. Feeds it to Booker. The 11th can't get it to go. Gone 1 of 3 from way outside since the start of the second quarter. It's Thompson off the drive, off his foot, and whistles again. Number 42 left now here in the second.
Abando.
Well, he won that battle, and in general, they're winning most of the battles tonight. Well, those are some very easy points if you can get them. Well, like Clark said, they have the game, not necessarily all on putback dunks, but a lot of second chance opportunities.
Napindot ko yata kaya. Napindot ko kaya napasab si Bando. Pakakainin lang to ni Booker. Lalo naman, ba't doon ka pumasa?
Seconds left in the first half of basketball.
Oh! Ano ba yan? Ah! Abot pa yan. Okay, last shot tayo, last shot. Wow! Ganda naman ang spin move na yan. Naku.
And now, brought to you by Sprint.
16 points. Ganda ng laro ni Malonzo dito, no? So, balik natin first 5.
It's Thompson off the drive. Tries to set it. There's the dish to Ion. Gets it to the stop. Ion's got him. He's in there. A two got there too late. No, right to the line. And the first one at the line is good. Being at 50% in a decent group. Here's Gutierrez. He's covered by Thompson. Gutierrez is shot is good. 2 points for him. Well, the clear attack has been pretty clear to see. In the ball inside, just take it slow and move.
Ball, labas. Open, open. Sayang.
Ah,
Kobe! Gandang fake nun.
Number 13, defended by Booker. Here's Thompson. Brings it in.
Ganda nung kaya no? Dalawa kami na pekean. Buti yan, di na-shoot.
That's good as he hits both of the shots. And we're about a minute and a half here into the second half.
Binabad natin dito si ano no, si Pardo kasi si Soto. Mamamain lang kasi ni Gustavo yun yan, si Soto. Para dito kaya ano. Ang taas.
He's got trouble.
Now they're not showing too much respect for him defensively.
Parang ilang points pa lang to si ano, JC.
Dishes it to Anderson. Inside.
What's happening?
Nahirapan akong lusutan si Booker.
Just over 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second half. Now, here's Thompson.
They're going to call him on the board. There's no disputing that. Think about what's this. It's still anybody's game.
And so here's one team from 11 feet. Here's number 13. Here's Hudson. Nice game from Booker.
I'll have to give him his face because that's his range right there.
Snaps to right. Clarkson defended by Anderson. Defended by Ioannis Dennis. Right now in the game.
Tell you what, shooting 20% to start the second half doesn't bode well for how this will play out.
Number 1.
Okay, nice foul, nice foul.
Yeah, he absorbed the foul and had a chance to knock it down. That's all you can ask right there. I like that play.
Ties it up, and this next one could give them the lead. And that crowd showed it out, lead by 1.
Lamang na po ang Mexico.
1 yard since coming on the break. It's Thompson off the drive. Here's Soto at the lead pass.
Counted. Tatlo ka na, ayun.
They're going to keep fighting their way to the line, guys. This half has been nothing but success for them there. And their confidence has to just continue to go up. The longer the perfection continues.
Uy, sayang.
Number 4. Shakes out a strong view. Get the bucket for 2.
He's one of the best in the league in that. Even with just a tiny sliver, he always seems to find a way to get it up in the end.
So now the pass for Thompson. Thompson looking through. Here's Gutierrez. Gone 2 of 7 from the field in the third. That lead is real.
Gandang pasa.
I'd say that shot was...
Jordan dunk.
You think so? I mean, I was pretty good from 2 feet and in myself. That's a gimme there.
Hits number 4, and so he draws the foul on the shot. A trip to the line to shoot 2. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. The first one.
Bumalik si ano, yung first wave pa nila. Walang lumabas yung ano natin. Lan ba yun? Layo ng pasa. Pinilit. Aba. Temo tayo.
Here's Perez. So the pass will be not the free throw line's up.
I think he had all the space he needed. He just couldn't find
He's got 8. Gone 1 of 3 from downtown since halftime. Rainbow's the pass with Perez. Here's Soto. An amazing finish with a hand.
Gagamitin natin height ni Soto. Habang wala si Gustavo yun. Ah!
Smart. Use that big height advantage with the shot off. It's hard to put a big man on his team that far from the hoop. I mean, he's versatile. Here's Booker. And he uses the gas in the lane. Booker's got 17. Offensive end is doing almost much as he could hope for today. This is a good Perez.
Soto, defended by Hernandez. Here's Aguilar. And he lays it straight in.
Maliit pala na nila. Si Toscano lang ang kanilang power forward dito. So gagamitin natin talaga yung ilalim natin ngayon. Uy. Ayun, napapalit tuloy. Nakita na lang ginagamit natin yung height advantage. Ganda ng mga screenan. Open na open ng mga shooters. Ito din naman. Na! Kumounted pa.
Result so far. They're locked in from the chair to strike this out. Not a miss yet. And they're going to have to continue that pace, Clark, because they're down. And anytime you're losing, you've got to take advantage of every offensive opportunity you have. Anderson is rejected by Aguilar. And here's the ball. Again, he's got 8. Well, we've seen that more than a few times. An easy bucket in the lane. Yeah, the interior defense simply has been lifeless.
Huli ka. Ah! Swerty. Alo! Solo ko na. Kita nyo naman. Oh. Open na, sumasablay pa. Yun pala ang mga gusto.
His scoring this quarter has been off the charts. The production of the game as a result may change. This is the Booker.
Pushing it up. Reloads the basket for Rose. And it's good. 10 points for him. 34 seconds left in the third.
Question is, do they go two?
Sayang, still yun sa akin. Bumangga tayo. Okay, last shot tayo para hindi na makapuntos ang Mexico. Uy! Naku, patay tayo, iwan. Bagal. So tuloy lang natin yung lineup natin. Okay naman siya. Sige, paglabas ni na Booker, sina Clarkson naman kakana dito. Ano ba? Swerte sa bola.
Since the end of the third quarter. Number 7, defended by Perez. And it's brought by Aguilar. And they're pushing up. There's Ramos.
Buti na lang, nakadampot ng foul. Para nga pala sa mga bago pa lang sa ating channel dyan, no? Subscribe na kayo mga idol para sa mga gantong content. Nabloko ang ating... Dito kung mapapansin nyo, walang hagop-hagop rule, no? Diba si Devin Booker nakapaglaro na sa USA? Kaya yung sinasabi ko dito, wala tayong hagop rule. Pwede ka makapaglaro sa ibang bansa. Kumbaga dream team sa dream team, labanan. Sayang, still na. Pampalamang na sana. Sayang, ganda naman ng pasa ni Soto dun. Ay, pinasa. Ano ba yan? Hindi maka-rebound. Ang hina sa rebound. Puro block. Hindi naman makuha, no? Bumalik natin si Clarkson. Kaya-kaya niya na laruin ng buong quarter yan. Wow, 1 digit pa lang yata si Clarkson. Ah. Okay. Balik sa all. Nako.
Really high quality shot there, just a little off with his release. That miss right there will definitely lead to
Clausen is covered by Anderson. So they take the lead.
You hate to see guys suffer through a game like this, but his team is winning.
And straight 49% from the field. It's tipped. Here's the Tours, defended by Perez. Number 1, Morris Penny improves the fadeaway jumper.
Kevin, that's beautiful. With the guy all over him, the fadeaway was about the only option he had. He cashed in on it.
Here's Thompson. So he ends up cut to the line. Officials have the contact and he'll shoot two.
No question, he got both of them. Oh, you have to like how he shot it down in the second half. Getting to the line for a lot of free throw opportunity. That's a familiar sight. You know, you never waste his chances at the line. Passes in regular.
He kicks to a line. He feeds it to Booker. Takes the three. Shot is off.
He's still looking for his first three-pointer of the second half after making just one in the third.
Reloads the pass to Sutter. Terrific assist and nice finish. Solid play all around.
How about the field goal percentage shooting this half?
Nubos yung oras.
Here's Booker. And a little over 3.5 minutes in the books so far here in the fourth.
Huli ka. Takdakan mo. Hirap bantayan niya, no? Booker. Hindi kumakagat depensa na. Wala, fumaul pa. Gandang pasa. Bullet pass. Lo. Pasok mo natin. Balik natin mamaya si Soto. Diyan na si Gustavo yun.
Since the beginning of the fourth. Goes it up high.
Rough play right there, and you can feel the momentum changing. I think this lead will continue to move upward unless something unforeseen happens.
And off to an 0 for 2 start from downtown here in the fourth quarter. Here's Gutierrez. Wide left.
Well, they'll give him that shot. He doesn't have the most reliable jump shot in the world. We know that.
Clarkson, defended by Booker, finds the shoot.
Uy! Swerte yun. Nakatatlong 3 points na yata ito si Scotty. Mga nagsasabi na mataas ang ratings, no? Hindi po, ayan, no? 66 lang si Thompson, si Clarkson lang line of 8 natin dito. Samantalang ang Mexico puro line of 7 at may mga line of 8 yan. Dahil mga Mas malalakas naman talaga sila sa atin, no? Plus, ang difficult ng game natin, difficulty. Hall of Famer po, pinakamahirap. Kaya nyo, hirap na hirap din akong pumasok. Clarkson malas pa. Ganda. Oh, huli.
About everything he's put up in this period.
Now, here's Thompson.
Oh. Naku, pa-penalty na pala agad tayo.
Feeds it to Anderson. Pass to Gutierrez. To the middle.
Uy! Sumablay magsa.
Here we go. Tipped away. Anderson right side. Kicks it to Booker. Number 1. Drops it into the midfield. Exactly what they wanted against that system. Number 16. And he converts the Lesnar.
They're forcing the ball inside. It's working beautifully. Yeah, the defense has been futile with 5 of the last 6 field goals in the lane.
Booker's got 12 points here in the second half.
He's got a ton to help his team, guys. He may have to realize everything.
Here's Clarkson. And it's shot on the score.
Well, his body control is what I notice. I think that jumps off the page when you watch him play, even with the defender draped all over. He's able to find a way to get to the rim and get the shot to go in.
Ah! Pambirang Booker to. Huli ka! Kailangan pa natin ng isang rim protector.
Weird positions all the time.
Here's Gutierrez. This one to Booker.
Naku! Minamamatay dito ni Booker. Lo. Huli ka.
To the inside. Here's Soto.
Ang laki mo. Medyo 7 lamang, no? 2 minutes, mahaba pa to. Pwede pa tayong mabaligtad dito. Dapat mapigilan natin si Booker, nag-iinit na masyado. Ah! La. Huli ka! Sige, sabay! Ganda ang depensa ni ano, ni Edu kay Soto dito, no? Butata ng butata. Baka may lagpas 10 blank ka na tayo dito. Grabing kamay ni Booker. Lo. Time out tayo isa. May isa pa naman tayo time out. Babasagi lang natin yung momentum ni Booker, no? Sa banda hindi natin masyadong nagamit. Lo. Yung pinasa. Tatlo. Pambihira to. Mga 30 points na ata to si Booker. Huli. Baka mga 3 points pa. Yun, sumablay. Sumablay din. Medyo lumalaki na ang chance natin manalo dito, no? Shit, call mo ako. Lo. Putek, naglolo ko pa yung controller ko. Ay, tumira. Okay, napaganda pa. Atin na to mga idol. Hindi na natin pasasablayin to. Hiya ka, no? Okay. Final score 115-108. Lamang tayo ng 7 puntos. Booker at Scottie Thompson nag-uusap. Ayan, sino kaya ang best player natin? Sa tingin ko pwedeng Malonzo, Kai Soto, Scottie Thompson eh. Alam mo sa tatlo. Pero sino kaya? Si Kai Soto. Depensa, rebound, assist. Hindi natin pwede panoorin dahil merong kanta. So tingnan na muna natin yung stats ng Mexico. Daming field goal pala ni Booker. 32 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists. Hindi masyado bumito ng 3 points, no? 4 lang. Gustavo yun, 15 points, 8 rebounds. Bonilla, 14 points, 5 rebounds, 4 steals. Toscano, 12, 5, 2, 4 steals. Defensive player lang kasi talaga to. George Gutierrez, 12 points, 4 assists. Jamie Jaquez, paano ba ito? Jaquez, 11 points, 5 rebounds. Gutierrez isa. Ano ba ito, magkapatid? Hindi naman magkamukha. 8.7 rebounds, 4 separada lang, wala na 4 pa lang sa kanila. Scoreless, no? Tingnan natin yung overall nila, baka sabihin nyo mahina. Booker 91, syempre isang superstar yan sa NBA. Gustavo 76, former NBA player. Bonilla 75, G-League player. Ano rin yan, basta NBA player na rin siguro. Toscano 81, Gutierrez 73, nawala na naman yung ating controller. Teka lang. Lo. Jamie 76, NBA player yan. Cherry 71, Mendez 70, Parada 67, Hernandez 70, Andriasi 71, Cruz 75. So tignan naman natin ang sa Gilas Pilipinas. Kai Soto 23 points, 9 rebounds, 7 blocks. Ang daming blocks. Malonzo 18 points, 6 rebounds, 2 blocks. Tatlong sablay pero may 5 turnovers dito. Ang dami natin turnover pala dito. 2, 3, 4, 5. Clarkson 18 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists, 3 steals, 2 blocks. Nung fourth quarter na to, alis pumukol nung nagano tao-tao, no. Nag full court trap. 5 bitaw sa 3 points, wala nangyari. Buti si Thompson, buenas, no. 3 out of 5 sa 3 points. 15 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, pero ang daming turnover. Perez, 14 points, 3 assists, 2 steals. Pardo, ayos din na nalaro. Mas madami pa yung minuto si Soto. 10 points, 5 rebounds, 2 blocks. Aguilar, 8, 7, 3. Edu, 7 points, 5. Wow, 4 blocks to. Ramos, 2, 4, 1. Daming assist din. Softana, tig-isang bitaw lang tong tatlo pa lang to, no? Hirap kasi sa depensa, no? Si Abando, hindi natin nagamit, 2 minutes lang. Si Softana din. So, tignan naman natin ang kanilang overall. 67 lang po si Soto, yung katabi ng age, no? Huwag niyo pansin yung age, 11. Dahil plus 9, 20 na. Pero parang 21 na yata si Soto ngayon. Si Malonzo 66, Clarkson 83, syempre 6 man of the year. Thompson 66, Perez 66, Fardo 67, syempre PBA MVP yan. Aguilar 64, Edu 67, Ramos 68, Oftana 64, Parks 66, Abando 66. So yan, tignan natin lang yung no, total blocks natin. Saan? 22 blocks. Samantalang ang Mexico 2 blocks lang. Dami. Assist 21, no? Taas din na. Mababa ang 3-point field goal natin, pero free throw 96. So comment lang kayo sa baba mga idol kung sinong gusto nyo makakalaban natin sa next game. Yun lang.